Let's welcome Vishy Swaminathan to the stage to show us his next sneak. Vishy.
Hi! Oh my God, I like you! I want him to teach me something. He looks like a teacher.
Thank you, both of you.
Oh my God, his voice. You're awesome.
Wouldn't it be cool to know how successful your campaign will be before running your video ad?
Yes.
My name is Vishy Swaminathan, and I'm excited to demonstrate the video ad AI framework that Sayan Somdev and I in Adobe Research have been working on to not just predict the success of the campaign, but also to help place the right ads in the right context. Let's jump right into the demo. As I upload my video to the Adobe Advertising Cloud, deep hidden features are generated to let Sensei artificial intelligence loose on. You see my travel ad here. It looks really good. Starts off with kayaking, and there are some beaches, and some close-ups, and even ends with a nice sunset and a call to action at the very end. I'll skip ahead.
Oh, call to action. Oh.
Like, yeah, plan your
I
next.
didn't know
next
that's
adventure.
a thing. I love that.
As it happens often, there is no metadata associated with my video. When I ask the framework to generate metadata for me, it uses the extracted features, leverages a deep neural network that's trained on thousands of videos to generate automatically not just tags, but ad-relevant metadata that the ad platform can use to place my travel ad in front of the right audience along with relevant content to maximize KPIs.
Vishy, I'm going to pause you for 1 second. Are you following this?
I'm kind of following it. It seems like he before you put this ad out, is showing you if it's actually going to work.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yes.
It is scanning
That's
it to find
future.
like.
That's like crazy. Like,
It's-
I just whenever my computer said download the Adobe Reader, that's all I thought y'all did. I mean, y'all do a gang of stuff, man.
I'm glad to change your opinion about Adobe.
Yes.
I want to place this ad in traditional as well as social channels. And when I'm going to ask my framework to predict success, or as we call it, compute watchability, it's going to take the generated metadata along with the extracted features and feed them into a second deep neural network that's trained on videos along with performance data on specific channels to compute watchability for those channels. Voila, watchability scores, folks, before ever running the ad.
That's dope. That is dope. So look, there's like, let's say Instagram looked at this and they would go on and see how they can make their advertisement better to suit their website?
Yes, we're getting there. High scores for my travel ad for TV and Facebook, but not so great score on Instagram. It has a watchability of just 20%. Several factors that could affect this, but in this case, I think it's just too long for my Instagram audience. Okay. So I can ask the framework to summarize the video automatically for me.
Wow. That's dope, yo.
So it's come back with a summary telling him where he can make
that's
edits.
like, okay, so is it going to tell him what to take out and all that?
Not yet. I can choose any duration I want. And if I take the duration all the way down, it can automatically generate the most appropriate thumbnail or flashcards or even an animated thumbnail automatically for me. That's just few seconds.
That is dope. That is dope, yo.
Hashtag video ad AI.
Yes, hashtag dope.
I think my Instagram audience has got a lot more patience than that. How about a whole 15 seconds? When I say summarize, Sensei uses a third generative neural network to compute, to create a 15-second summary for me completely automatically. what you see there is a 15-second summary that was created with absolutely no human intervention.
Cool.
That's pretty cool, man. I'm
really
like,
cool.
it's like editing, like quick edit. That is dope, dude. That is like genius.
Thank you.
Yo, that's genius. Wow.
It even ends with a nice call to action here.
Love call to action. I love that.
AI does a great job, but I still want my creative team to have the control and final say on the summary. So I'm going to send this over to my creative team via Adobe Creative Cloud. I'm going to briefly play the role of my creative editor, and I've loaded the video ad into the project into Premiere Pro here. What you see is the full ad, and what you see now in this tab is the 15-second summary that was previously generated by the framework automatically. I'm happy because this has saved a ton of work for me, removed a lot of drudgery, and it also looks really good. And it has some great scenes, and I also see that it ends with a shortened call to action, which does not have the web URL. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to replace it with a different call to action, turn the other one off, and I think this is good to go, save and export, and back to the campaign. I love my creative editor. Did you see how quickly that was turned around?
Yeah, he's dope too, right? He works fast.
No wonder my kids think I have no friends.
You got kids. You've been doing something.
My ad is ready here, and it's got the new call to action and, that was touched by the editor, and I see that the watchability went even higher to 95% now with a 90% confidence.
Wow.
We have leveraged the power of AI, magic of AI, to generate metadata, to create summaries, and automatically tell us if the campaign is going to be successful or not. I'm all set to start my campaign confidently now.
Can you do this with like if I was to do a short sketch?
Yeah, absolutely.
And like I feel like I want to show it on Instagram, and it would tell me the best version of that to put on there.
Exactly.
Yo, that's dope, yo. That's dope. Yeah. Yo. Real talk. That's gonna save people like what? Like editors. That is dope.
Video ad AI hashtag.
Hashtag dope. That's.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Very
Vishy.
good, man.
All right, let's give him a warm thank you.